Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. And yes, another video. I covered XRP yesterday. In my opinion, the technical situation is still quite similar to XRP. However, today is a pretty big day for crypto. We have the interest rate decision and just in general the Federal Reserve press conference afterwards. And I have my ideas about that, and I just wanted to prepare you a little bit about that. I will make a full video, more specific to the entire crypto market, later today, and I also already made a couple of videos on that. So if you're interested in that, it's going to be a major event this time around, especially for the next couple of months. Like I already did a crucial interest rate cut information video. If you want to know more about that, just check out those videos, right? But I wanted to make it XRP specific as well. But like I said, the technical situation I still think is pretty similar. We're obviously waiting for October the 6th. It is coming closer and closer. It's now in 3 weeks or so. And still no appeal. So that's getting more and more interesting. That's also, in my opinion, why we saw some more bullish momentum come in for XRP, which has gone away a little bit right now. But that also, in my opinion, has to do with two things. First of all, still the uncertainty, because there still is a lot of uncertainty about the potential appeal, and just in general what will happen afterwards. But that also has to do with the interest rate decision. All right. But I'm leaning, as time goes on, I'm leaning more and more towards expecting no appeal, to be completely honest with you. But it remains, I mean, it's not like I already told you earlier, if we're able to get some sort of a breakout above 60 cents here, then I think it's worth to take some sort of a trade on XRP. I also think it's worth it to take a trade a little bit lower. That's what I wanted to talk about in this video. But until then, you're still speculating, right? And that's not necessarily what I want to do in my trades. But like I said, there's a big breakout right here. If we're able to close above 60 cents, like you cannot ignore that breakout, right? So that's why I would take the trades. But right now, still a lot of uncertainty. So what you see is that we had some momentum over the course of the weekend and also Monday a little bit. But now what you can see is that the open interest is very much dropping down again. And that is de-risking, all right? That's a lot of big traders closing their positions ahead of a big event. And I think that has to do with, like I said, the uncertainty fundamentally with Ripple and XRP, but also with the interest rate decision. That's also what we saw earlier this morning for Bitcoin, for example. But that's interesting because the interest rate decision will cause a lot of volatility. And like I said, I think it's likely, or I think it's getting more likely that we will not see an appeal. So that's why I wanted to tell you that I expect volatility in general. I think a bit of bearish momentum here is most likely. That's in line with the technicals. That's in line with some sort of a sell the news effect or de-risking. But I do think that if you look at this level right here, like the most interesting level for me is the level right here between 55.5 cents and 54.5 cents. And I am very much considering buying XRP there if we actually drop down there. For two reasons. First of all, you have a solid technical support level. So the same with breaking out above 60 cents. If we do that, technically that's just a very good trade opportunity. I think this support level right here around 55 cents, let's simplify it like that. I think that's a great support level on the 12-hour time frame, but also on the daily time frame. So that's why it's already interesting to buy XRP there. And then because of my conviction that it's getting more and more likely that we will at least see some sort of a narrative that the SEC won't appeal, which is also bullish. I consider that as bullish. That seems like a good trade opportunity. So keep that in mind, all right? Think about it. In the end, it's your decision. And like I said, over the course of today, what I expect is some more de-risking. And just in general, if you want to know what I expect, it's something like this, right? So I think we'll de-risk. I think we'll consolidate. Then eventually, I do think the bullish breakout is more in line with what the market is going to do, and with what I see right now from the expectation for the deadline date. So I do expect the bullish breakout eventually, but I'll still keep you updated on that. That's what I wanted to say for now in kind of preparation for the decision tonight. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.